For rare animals in Indonesia, wild Borneo and Sumatran orangutan, great apes that can only be found in Indonesia, endangered due to deforestation and hunting. 2. Enoa, a dwarf buffalo native to Sulawesi. Its population keeps declining because of habitat loss. 3. Sumatran tiger, the only remaining tiger subspecies in Indonesia, critically endangered, with only a few hundred individuals left. Asik. 4. Bear cuscus, a marsupial native to Sulawesi and Maluku, rare due to hunting and shrinking habitat. Thank you.